What is a lemon law attorney and how can we help? A lemon law attorney is a legal professional who helps consumers who have purchased a car with problems. Here's how we can help as your lemon law attorneys. First, we can review your case to determine if your vehicle qualifies as a lemon or that you qualify for some sort of compensation due to ongoing issues with your vehicle. We'll help you collect and organize all necessary supporting evidence for your claim, including repair orders, warranty records, and other pertinent documentation. We then file a lawsuit against the manufacturer on your behalf and represent you in court. Our in-depth knowledge of the lemon law and extensive experience litigating these cases equip us to pursue the best possible outcome for you. Overall, we work to save you time, stress, and money. We'll ensure you are treated fairly and help you receive the maximum compensation and relief under the law.